Alright, welcome to episode number 90. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this hover transition effect using css3 and html5. So to create this, we need 4 files: index.html, style.css, and 2 images. Now, I'll leave the link of this code in the description so that you can follow along with me. In case if you got stuck somewhere, just copy paste it and work along. Now let's create it from scratch. We need the first file, which is, I'll name it as index2.html. You can name it anything. I have to name this style2.css. Open the index2.html, which you have created right now. Exclamatory tab. Now link the style sheet style2.css, and now we need a container. I'll name the container as image container, and we need 2 images inside it. The first one is lady1.jpg. The second one is lady2.jpg. I'll leave the link in the description, and both the images I have downloaded from the Unsplash. Now let me show you how does it looks. We have named the file as index2.html. So this is how it looks. So let's get into the CSS without wasting time. So here we have style2.css. For all element, remove the margin and padding. So star for all element, padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box. Now we have to call the container, which is this one. So I want this container to be at the center of the screen. So for that, I'm going to call the body and give it display flex, align items center, justify content center. Now to have the align item work, we have to give the height of 100% of viewport height. Viewport is nothing but the screen height, 100% of screen height. Now let me give the background color as black. Now this is how it looks. Now let's call the image container. Let me give the width as 300 pixel and height as 400 pixel, and give position relative. So we have images inside it, so let me call that images, and I'm going to give the same width and height as I have given to the container. So 100% width and height of 100%, and object fit cover. So it will not allow the image to stretch, and it will crop the image according to the height and width passed. So that's the work of object fit. Now if you refresh, this is how it looks, one below the other. Now what I need to do is, I am going to make the image overlap one above the other. So since we have given the position relative to the container, so we can give position absolute to the child. Position absolute, top of 0, left of 0. So if you refresh, this is how it looks. The second one comes at the top, and the first one is just below the second image. So we can call this second image, which is nth child 2, and once I hover on the image container, I want the second image to have opacity 0. If you refresh, and if I hover, you can see there is a quick movement. So I don't want the quick movement, so for that what I can do is transition 0.5 s. Take the duration of 0.5 s, don't give the quick movement. And now that's done. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for listening.